Best regard, my name is Heidi Alexandra Chaguendo de Coche. I am an agronomy student and I am going to present my oral production task 4 of the English course. For this presentation, I chose a horror story, The Hell's Horseman. Today's brief legend tells of a mysterious horseman who was looking for his head in the dark sneaks near the town of El Sleep, Hollywood. You may have heard of the Sleep horseman, but do you connais his story? Saving was nothing more than the wandering spirit and the German soldier who had came to American lands sometimes at to fight against the American troops. After being defeat, the story goes that his head was cut off, and after dying in foreign territory. That means Saul could never rest in place now until he found his head. He constantly appeared and dug in nearby towns where he lost life, his life. The inhabitants said that the Hleats Horman took alcoholic kids and womanizers left them in the cemetery at dawn and woke up full of tears and panic and disoriented. We talk Conning Wind what it had happened the night before. Homeward, they felt a lot of angustias.